Today I am going to deal a very important remedy, that is sulfur. We know a proverb, where there is will, there is way. Sulfur is the king of Sora, like Thuja is the king of psychosis, Mercurius is the king of syphilis. As we know, where there is itch, there is Sora. We also know where there is itch, there is sulfur. Because in sulfur there is voluptuous itching. When the patient suffering from the itch, they want to scratch to the parts very pleasantly, to scratch to their parts. That time he feels mentally very pleasure. Not see who is sitting near to me, not see who is standing near to me. They only scratch to the parts. We know very clearly when sulfur is needed according to the symptoms, but we must try to know what, where should not be used. Sulfur is a unique person which like happy dream during the waking hour and also during the sleeping hours. In waking hours, everything looks pretty, which the patient takes a fancy, even rag seems beautiful. During the sleeping hours, sulfur see the happy dream. Sulfur is a patient, his lips look like very red without the use of lipstick, like the nose looks red in case of borax, like the cheeks looks red in the sanguinaria. Sulfur is a medicine which must be used very precautious. So one thing must be remembered to all homeopaths, where the sulfur is not used and where the sulfur can be used. Number one, the precaution is when the complaint of the patient in change the vital organs, the parts, no change of the cure of the patient takes place. That time never use sulfur. It means where there is organic changes, never try to give your sulfur. When the patient is suffering from tuberculosis, cancer, diabetes, and last stage of the patient, symptoms match with the sulfur, and the vital force is very poor. If you want to give sulfur, never give ever 200 potency. When the patient symptoms similar to the sulfur and the background of syphilis miasm present, try to never give sulfur. It will aggravate the complaint of the patient because syphilis was in the latent position. Next, If a patient is prominent symptoms of syphilis, never give sulfur. Patient can not tolerate the aggravation of the sulfur. Next, if the vital force of the patient is very poor, never give sulfur. Before sulfur, calcarea car, and after lycopodium, sulfur is very dangerous. Dr. Kent says, you cannot cure, you have no right to kill. If a few months back, sulfur, the skin disease, had affected to the patient, that time you can give sulfur. But these symptoms, this suppression of the symptoms, long years ago, that time no need of sulfur, sulfur failed to there. You can give either soinum or vaselinum. Sulfur get relief by the warm milk, but the patient cannot tolerate, cannot digest it. After drinking milk, vomit out. The vomits are very, very sourness. That sourness cannot go after the severe washing. The circle of the prescription is first sulfur, then calcarea car, then lycopodium. Like first sulfur, then sarsaparilla, then sepia. Sulfur is the chronic of aconite. Never give coffee to a patient of sulfur. Workers in the sulfur mines are said to be remarkably free from the malarial fever. When a carefully selected remedy fails to produce the desired effect, a dose of sulfur which may prescribe even not to indicated symptoms. Sulfur is very deep acting remedy. Never use it frequently. Duration of the action of sulfur 40 days. So after prescribing this remedy, never become hasty to change the remedy. I have seen a case of tongue cancer. My prescription was causticum. I wait 4 months to 6 months to give this remedy, and then I get the result of that. Sometimes, due to the hurry, we spoil the patient and cannot get good result, being the current prescribe has done. One proverb is always remembered to every homeopath: जल्दी का काम शैतान का. For save the life of a patient, never become hurry. So sulfur is that medicine which used by honeyman also. Sulfur is a medicine which can cure the more and the more chronic cases. During the treatment of the chronic cases, when the best selected remedy is going to fail, we not get result after the selection of the proper medicine. When there is a suppression of the skin disease, then you can think to prescribe a dose of sulfur, and never has to prescribe the sulfur. You get the relief, you get the best result, no doubt. Thank you.